Hi! In front of me is Nokia C12 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down to access System. Then select Languages and Input. On-screen keyboard. And Gboard. Lastly, just tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are available over here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!